magandang nagbibigay tayo sa ibang tao kung ano yung sinasabi sa atin ng ating pusong sigad na yung naghahari doon. And it's not in a forced way, hindi sa pilitan, and parang hindi ka lang sinabihan kasi kailangan. And may consequence ang pagbibigay. If you give less, you will also reap less. If you give more, you will reap more. And it's still up to us if we're going to give something to other people na marami man o konti. At least it's out of heart na mabuti ang intensyon ng pagbibigay natin. And kalooban din ng Diyos na magbigay tayo sa iba. So, if the Lord tells you to give to others, do it. Do it out of love. And also, that might be the way to share the gospel to them. We may never know what will be their reactions like. But why not try it? Ang importante, you do what the Lord wants us to do. So yun lang. Start giving at least a food to other people, especially sa mga taong talagang kailangan ng mga bagay na yun. God bless.